Are ultra-premium appliances and custom cabinetry on your home's wish list? It's time to visit Factory Builder Stores. With locations throughout Texas, there's lots to explore. Let's go.
We're the largest appliance distributor in the state. We serve today well over 1,000 builders. We work with their customers to do selections. They come into our showroom. Our experienced salespeople will help that customer make the best decision to buy the appliances that it's going to suit their needs for their life. We do also specialize in outdoor kitchens. A lot of our builders use them anywhere from just the grill to a full-blown kitchen with refrigeration.
Today's appliances are not like they were in the old days. Technology now plays a big role.
You can preheat your oven from apps like the Whirlpool app or Monogram's app. There's a camera on Monogram, so if you want to check on your cookies without getting off your couch, you can do that. You can look for recipes and send them straight to your oven, and your oven will walk you through exactly what to do with brands like Whirlpool and KitchenAid.
They also specialize in custom cabinetry that's both functional and fabulous.
So Cabinet's main focus in your home is to either conceal or reveal items that make your life function better. When you come into our showroom, we're gonna have 3 things that we're gonna ask you about: your budget, the functionality, and your style. And based on that, we'll know if you wanna go with Starmark, who's gonna do framed and more traditional to transitional, all the way to Ultracraft, which is more modern and mid-century, and everything in between. Our cabinets go through a 13 coat process, the last one being a catalyzed finish, which protects from UVA and UVB rays, so your white cabinets stay white and they don't yellow. That's a big thing to feature. Another thing that's really happening with cabinetry is the mid-century modern, which is no upper cabinets at all. So cabinet lines like Ultracraft, Mid-Continent, and Starmark are coming out with that open shelving instead of doing upper cabinets, which is, I think, really cool. And they come in pops of colors and a whole bunch of different styles.
Together, your cabinets and appliances can work to combine the best solutions, beauty and style for your new kitchen.
The designers help set up the kitchen to your wants, to your needs, to your style, and then our salespeople work together with you to integrate the appliances into that so that you have a seamless install correctly the first time.
Well, with cabinetry and appliances, the main thing that stands out are having integrated or hidden appliances. When you walk into a kitchen, you might not know where the refrigerator is or a pull-out dishwasher drawer because there's a cabinet front on it. To me, that's the biggest way to highlight how cabinetry and appliances work together.
So if you're looking for inspiration on your new kitchen design, you're in the right place.
A big misconception people have is that they can't afford their dream custom kitchen, which isn't true. We work with anyone from starter homes to $5 million mansions and everywhere in between, and we're able to get the job done.
So whether you're buying your first home and need appliances or you're building your dream home, come into Factory Builder Stores and we'll be able to help you with that process to make it easy for you, and you'll be able to see all the technology and new appliances that we have in stock today.
For more information about Factory Builder Stores, visit factorybuilderstores.com. And of course, visit us at designingspaces.tv.